Hello students, welcome back to the another MCQ solve video. This question is given in GAT-B 2020 and this question is from metabolism part, particularly fatty acid metabolism part and the beta oxidation part. And the questions are given. Here the questions are given. What under aerobic condition, what is the net yield of ATP molecules in beta oxidation of palmitic acid? Beta oxidation of palmitic acid. Palmitic acid is saturated fatty acid, and saturated fatty acid, the carbon number of palmitic acid is C16. Carbon number of fatty acid is C16. So when beta oxidations occur inside the mitochondria, the reactions goes like that. First C16 molecule, single round of beta oxidation form C14 molecule. So two carbon are reduced from the original parent carbon molecule. That means C16 palmitic acid form intermediate C14 molecule. With that one cycle reaction, one molecule of NADH, one molecule of FADH2 and one molecule of acetyl CoA released. So single reaction, one round beta oxidation. So one round beta oxidation, C16 palmitic acid convert C14, and like that C14 convert into C12, C12 convert into C10, C10 convert into C8, C8 convert into C6, C6 convert into C4, and then it finally breaks down into two C2 compound. That means acetyl CoA compound. 2 acetyl CoA compound. So to complete breakdown of palmitic acid, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 round of beta oxidation. 7 round of beta oxidation. We have to be calculate the total ATP. Total ATP. In a single round of beta oxidation, one molecule of NADH and one molecule of FADH2 produced one round of beta oxidation gives off one molecule of NADH, one molecule of FADH2. One molecule of NADH when enter into the electron transport chain and oxidative phosphorylation, it gives 3 ATP, and the FADH2 gives 2 ATP. It is the old calculation form. New calculation is 2.5 and 1.5. We calculate in the old form. That means 1 NADH equals to 3 ATP it is given, and 1 FADH2 gives 2 ATP. So total one round of beta oxidation give 5 ATP molecule. 5 ATP molecules. So after 7 round of beta oxidation, it should be multiplied with 7. That means 35 ATP molecule. But you should not forget about the acetyl CoA that is formed after beta oxidation. The number of acetyl CoA that is formed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 8 acetyl CoA, total 8 acetyl CoA form, and acetyl CoA actually enter into the TCA cycle, and one TCA cycle gives up 3 NADH, 1 GTP that is equivalent to ATP, and 1 FADH2. That means one acetyl CoA inside TCA cycle gives 3 NADH, 1 FADH2, and 1 molecule of ATP. So 3 NADH means 9 ATP, 1 FADH2 means 2 ATP, and 1 ATP directly produced. So total ATP that is produced from one acetyl CoA is 11. Sorry, total ATP produced after one acetyl CoA it is 12 ATP. 12 ATP. But here total amount of acetyl CoA that is produced 8 acetyl CoA. So one acetyl CoA produce 12 ATP. So it must be multiply with 8 into 12. That means 96 ATP molecule. 96 ATP molecule. So net calculation. So net calculation of ATP is 35 plus 96, and that will be 131 ATP. 131 ATP. But 2 ATPs need for the palmitic acid to activate first. That's why minus 2 ATP and produce the net ATP, that is 129 ATP. 129 ATP. One molecule of palmitic acid produce 129 ATP molecule. 4 options are given here, and the answer will be answer number 2. Option number 2. Right? So by that way you can calculate any kind of saturated fatty acid net ATP calculation. It is palmitic acid, but it could be stearic acid. The questions can be come from the stearic acid also, which is C18. So you can calculate like that. So that is the end with that, and we are covering another MCQ in the next day. Till then, bye.